or later. God bless you. I will do giveaway on Saturday. Giveaway for those where they look for woman. For those where they look for wife. I have a lot of people today where they drop message. Sister, why will we do Gualodo? When all day, this Saturday, and from 8 o'clock, I want to do giveaway all over the world, free. You don't go give me 1 naira. The most important thing, you get man. So many boys day, Urobo day, Yoruba day, Igbo day, Benin day, Asian day. So I know they study, I know, but I tell them say on Saturday, now I want to do the giveaway. Anybody who needs a man, some women still day, but small guests not day. 39, 42, 47, 48, 50. So obviously the doctor only Italy 62 years. So that woman dey Italy, she's 62 years. On Saturday she go be online. She get one daughter. Now Igbo na she born give. You don't even get grandchild. Jog say almost 15 years even. So she needs a benin man. 60 years now she dey. But when you see the be online on Saturday, as soon as they come, make una they invite. Okay? Make una they invite. Make una not talk say na. If una not invite, I not go do one. I not go do one. Una go invite. I want that day. Make we just reach. Make we reach 10,000 view. Make una announce now. They tell all your friends. Make them come online on Saturday. That day is going to be bomb. All the women where they never see man more than 10 years. Yeah. Even if they 100 years, you they look for man, come that day. Sister, even if no man, they value you. The spirit of no man, they value you, go disappear. Come out that day, make you can't carry a man. Brother, come out that day. Not to say, I don't tire. No woman, they value me. No matter what they do, all of them, they run, leave me. Come on Saturday. Your life will never be the same. Okay? Now you go, they select. On Saturday, go too sweet. Mona quick warere leva any you go there mona cook give una husband wa dolo waji wa kela lanio. So why wuro wodo we cost wash my there cause there wa scatter he. I will get with mama. Wala sister every time where people go hear my voice. You who care? Who care if they hear your voice? What it did? If they hear your voice, you thief. She so be magwalo where do move a live video. Have you ever married a live video no favor here? Have you ever married a street? No my favor. Do what my marriage is by luck, not by live video, not by supermarket, not by store. No, it's by luck. You see, huh? So that one wait there 60 years. You don't need a man where she's senior. She needs a man where no, you don't need a man where senior. She needs a man where she's senior. You need a man of 50 years and from 40 come up. Now that man, you make sure so you don't born finish. It's still not the carry man where you see the born cause you know one problem. You go no say you know the born. She's 60 years. Brother, you go love and die. Very fine woman. Better station. Okay? So all of una make una they inbox me on Saturday. Mona not to say after Saturday, mona not come you. If by that next week Saturday, I'm not sure say it go possible. I don't know how things go be. You know, say Europe level can change at any time. But this Saturday is going to be possible for every woman that is looking for a man, every man that is looking for a woman. Both old and young. Okay? Now, good afternoon. Now, giveaway. Now, giveaway I want to. No, it not go, Sister Destiny. Now, giveaway be now free now. Everybody having your giveaway. Some they give rice. Some they give money. My own are to give woman, husband, giveaway. No, 419 people who go investigate them now. That day, they're not just come say, Mommy Jore, I need a woman. Why I'm not going to investigate them? That the question we go make as they do, and they go call me on video call. You go bring your picture. As you they talk to me, I go they post your picture on my YouTube. This man is looking for a woman. No be say 2 minutes, 2 seconds, because my private phone is here. As soon as they send me the picture, I go they post her. So make they go see you. If you be shetro, the children where you get before, how you tell they take care of her, home and abroad. They will call you on on video call. Both the women where they look for husband now video call. Now video call. If you know you cannot do it, you will forget. Okay? Me do me baby. If you now want make a do away problem no come. Now so we go take do. I am at work. I am listening. Okay, I want to do giveaway. If you dare work, giveaway on Saturday from 8 o'clock in the evening. For those women where they not fit carry man. Those our boys where they not fit carry woman. So I want to help them out. If your mama never get husband, tell her say may come. Both Nigeria, all over the world. Now 3 people call from Nigeria today. They said they need a woman. I said may they wait on Saturday. So who want to go carry for Nigeria? You are free to do it anywhere, America, all over the world. So you see this live from 8 o'clock. I go enter line around 8. Before 9, make sure so now come out. Quick action. If you not quick come, you not go reach your hands. Relationship. That brother, I talk with him today. The brother tell me say that sister no get character. That brother na very nice person. I no can know the person wey me want because me I believe that brother. Because if that brother no get good character, sister for no dey cry. My sister, you go for no dey cry. You go don't go husband house with 2 children. You go dey cry for man wey you don't see for once. Meaning that brother is right. If you know say you are not ready to marry, just because of what you first husband do, now make una not marry. Marriage is not by force. Don't imitate other people with their husband house because you don't know what they face, where they bear. You understand? Because that one now, if you reach your body now, you know if you bear, you gotta call people for Nigeria, you gotta call your friend, they complain to them. Many people their husband house, they face challenge. You know? So you bear. Some people their husband house 1 year, their man never needs it. You say the man not fuck you well. But he not fuck you well, but you they cry. You see? You they cry, put. Now what me? The man say he don't need you again. You say he don't need you. Okay? That man, when I talk with the man a very nice man. Because if you not sweet you not go to cry. What you not sweet me? Why go they cry? You get paper, you get children. Now you want to cry for second man. After no, you know good. I tell you that earring where you papa put for body, bring it down. And now she they call so. Hello? Hello?
Hello, call you.
Now your matter me they talk so. Mommy,
guy, you were damn it. Why this man they lie? Because I hate lies. I hate lies. Why this man, if I talk and say anything when you want to talk, you must believe him. Because he give you money, he will surely give you money. Tell me that one. Why this man they lie? If I tell you this man they talk for your about you. Why this man they lie? Because he not tell me not they talk. Because this is just they provoke me. Why this man they lie like this?
He say, he tell you, say he dream, see me. You be one think otherwise. You know, the way that man talk to me.
He say, he dream, say he see you naked. You they romance you. Now tell us, you they crazy. Which kind of dream is the dream? We could tell you the dream, say our queen mother, you the romance her.
I don't know why they are just there for another woman where they husband has body. Huh?
Okay, I go feel. I go feel. You know, say you are very important to me. You can't tell me that way. If you drink, you will swallow her. I want to tell me that useless. He say he drinks him, mommy, you're he naked. You can't the romance her. You can't the touch his bread. You can't do that. Now tell us to make it shut up that in mouth.
Double wahala for daddy body. Yeah, ma.
I just see the talk. He say when he will give you money, you not fit talk. You will keep his secret. Me never even know. Say he go scatter me.
Now when he give me the money, now day before yesterday, now he give me the 60-something thousand. Not be today me I know that man.
He not tell me because he asked me. He say he want dash mommy your money. Now come say you how much? Or you want to make me bring a cup for me, make I tell John I could go give him. You understand? When they come break, he change him. I say he will do it by himself. He go do it by himself. Now come to say, okay, how much? He say that one my business, not consign me. Now say they ask me if I lie, I want me love Larry. Why this man they lie? If you want to go carry another woman, fine. Why it may not go spoil my head though because I can tell you they crazy. I can tell you he say na 419 now it be. And may don't carry 419. May carry and go. As you don't want to make it not spoil my head because I never spoil your own head.
You see this life. Because me, I not gonna know who I want to believe.
Waiting make me they cry yesterday. No waiting. This man, he just called my house. I know how much I spent for her for food, everything. Bought the taxi, everything. You understand me?
How much you spend? How much you spend? Hello, mama. How much? We need to go with Zen.
He know me. You answer, and as he thought he came out. As he thought he came out. See, mommy, if you say you call me for video call, I for show you. Wait till I sit by wait for her for that boy. You understand me so? For gift, you want because I want give her so. And he done it, then he manage. He did. When he am well at Janny, you video call him when my bed.
Okay, whatever the gift you can.
Maybe the gift because I will not get a silver. You know, no problem, baby. I was, you know, you are dead. This make this man all day or my day away perfume in the head. He is a report. He marry care. See, as he thought he no want make it. See, make it not spoil my head though. Make it not just spoil my head. I just go beg him. Okay, as he thought he go call you this morning. Why you they call her yesterday? Why you not pick up?
No, he said they work. He said they work. He said they work. Now making not pick up.
This man not they work. If I lie, this man not they work. He still work. He still start. If they learn work how to drive a bus. If they learn to drive bus for his behavior, not the driver, not the suspender. For 4 days, the suspender for 4 days. He not the work. Now say the paragraph. He say na for when if I do yahoo before, may not use this state way for you for yahoo. May not go put that for my head. I dey quiet because I never know Nigerian men. My junior sister say, sister beg, may you mellow down for her because you don't know Nigerian people. They are very difficult. Not they behave like Oyibo for her. You understand me so? I say the beer. You want to spoil my head. But
no, it not spoil your head.
But they ask me different question. Oh, that was question when they ask me, and not they give, and not the answer. How much money you get? How much you they receive? How much is this one? I never asked her.
If they ask you, say, wait. If they ask you, say, how much you get for your account?
Because I not they talk. I will keep quiet. If they talk, I just keep quiet.
Okay, and they ask you, say, how much you they receive for your salary?
I not see tell them. I not see talk.
Okay.
See, if he call you again, you tell her, say, make it put me for, if you want to know the truth, tell her, say, make it call me. Make you know the truth. Now beg me you understand me? So because all this kind of things, if you don't say the Chris, I be Chris woman. You understand me? So they mellow my own.
No, I know say you know the lie. Okay, now what it can be the main problem now? Wait, they inside.
Okay, the main problem. Why we not soon know the mommy? Not soon know the. Okay, when we not join a net on apa you. Well, they ten on apa or what when is a call or mamma for. Okay, you're married, so I win that was so one in a wager. We are just we magic, we are just or what when we are planning, we are never got that was on. Or where did you want in a mouth itself? You understand me, son? Or so that's why for good day or not the big call me. I don't come and you watch it any. Or where we might be in our why you they hurt me like this? You know, say what you they do me, say they hurt me. Or not tell us if or is it a lot of not tell us say, or ma imakum, enough you. You understand me? On an aggrava. No, then ya, a deggy bay, you know, ya connect a lot. Ain't not my winner where you thought say your thought don't hope. As you thought say your thought don't hope. Me no care because what you they tell me now your mouth now me they correct you. I be really benin food though my benin not clear. I be authentic benin not come for village. Or we are do what when you are done you know they are going to be melee. You understand?
Honestly. Yebo, honestly, yebo ya tie we. Honestly, wherever oh damana gala, ala wirigbe. So ave mami ana siso wi yeri kun, mo veri oku ne menye be tama wi yeri be kun. So o ma be yana ogezo wa me ti.
We ya ba go gwenya, you go gwen we believe him in here answer. I don't care. But I know God, I know my mind say wait here they talk say na really true. Make you if for tell us say me put up a video for me you know which one they tell the truth.
Honestly.
If I come at me, you call me, will tell me and you will know the truth. But in your man phone,
honestly, we magwa leso ni ala we po make a problem in one day.
Now, last 2 weeks in your magic cut.
Cut.
Last 2 weeks in your magic cut in no na ya we be supermarket. Your magic no You know what man, you read that.
They no ya we supermarket o yara.
You want buy something, you go grab and not know what will happen. As they tell what to the lie. Now there's so much go cut. Then they know what my F self. He say never go cut. Like. He said now once he married two women that he born for her. He have 3 children.
Now 2 women born for her. For where?
And now when 2 women I born for her now.
Egypt.
Because I don't care, mommy. I don't care. I just to make the day okay with me. I don't care. Now me supposed to be worry everything. The woman went born for her, but say fear not the see all the children. Now if they cry, say the children not the heart of her, all of them they not the heart of her. Because of his behavior.
Yeah, make heavy.
Everything go the mother said like mama.
You go they call him mother every time. You go they call him mother every time.
Every time, even to me, mommy, even to me, I need to talk for phone. Or when me call, all that when my mother they call me, it will off me. Okay, give excuse. Okay, I will call you. I beg. You should make call you. Oh, fearful. Oh, we are quick here.
Yeah. Oh, what fearful? What pick origin?
Pick origin.
The only minister Rigbe.
Na record na want give am. If it dey hear na this go dey hear make it dey listen. Make it call.
Uno minister Yakuje go oketi ewe we Rigbe.
Ejeme. O Yakuje go mo 2 hours e he call himself.
Okay.
E he call.
Desi no do we be ni meje. A dream me ilake ike buezi e koka investigate ni make na be na ya gun an then uno just no gbe bo wa we ni ogwije agbetu wa sivilania
Guy mommy iye ti tori image winner Me akbawo where it do reba or 213. You understand? Me mind no wo wa. He may say ayowa. When we beg when he come, I free my mind to her.
Ama.
When I will command.
But ye masira uwe. Where I queen na re masira uwe college no gbetu wa wasibe lani.
Ah, even a when you went for you another now, but so make them many things will fit with me for all well like woman not they look before. It will be give who here because no man okay for ma.
On my wesi.
But so me ruwa we for ga link. Emwe call.
Okay.
Maybe get dom no call.
Okay, wesi. I want pick your. I want. You know, I don't want just two of una. Now when I'll finish live video, I can't put two of una for live. But for your waiting you talk so, I want collect for inside to advise people. You know, for my waiting me see for una.
No, because you know, this one get secret minds. Okay, mommy, I not a video, mommy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, money tally. Emi boom, mommy, money tally.
It didn't when your phone, it didn't when you speak carry no go megwa. Demi no he. Omwe bo ajo wa where. Hello. Give me. Oh ya gbele he give ukpo. Uguzu meja menen imo ye speaker ne. Uguzu meja menen no ya hwe. Ona ya meni kwa.
Ona ya owa me amena na no go ya hwe ya onye ya hwe wa onye wa ba begbe o. Aguna wa ba begbe. Ena agie. Uno ena de ogeta. O ikoli uno de ogeta. Owa me arugbe bucket owa o ina we ime wasa me na ime sejo be ma we say ba anyway ya kwa ame woman owa lalai ame no osa me ni yen ya ko.
Okay, now let me tell you something. I cut your phone. Ni gwan. My people, God bless you all. Ila final imagine Salobari enwan ni mane. Umana lu enwan ni. U lose. Ari lu enwan ya fe for one again na. Oh, ya play double game. Use your sense. Anybody that come into your life, ka we o man in use enwan Salobari no read there. And one thing I see for this their relationship. Our Epa get another woman. Number one. Number two, our Epa no lover. Number three, our Epa no be Christian. Number four, our Epa no need a wife now. Now what I see be that. When you dey talk with your wife or your girlfriend for phone, if your mama call, if you really love the woman, you tell her, say, oh, John, make I tell my mother, say, I will call her back. Just for 1 minute or 1 second. Though I pick it, to call it back, you know, we continue with your wife. Calling your wife after 2 hours. Me not good job only 1 hour there. I got time to salubwa. When again I watch Jena. I get better 1 hour be line. Abi, let's say the truth. I might wait the day for 2 hours. And the day what the phone watch you for 2 hours. Not be the day a party call. A party woman. A party woman. Epa, you know why? You know what this one relationship not go work because you they break egg for suggestion. Yena aja me women yakwe. When I be hegi danine. So it can never work. It can never work. Yes. De amoko no na okwo no be gebo. No be zese. No be gbele hegi danine. Memie o. Cause anybody no really iya even ya move ya ti agebo ya gebo. Iya ga ya we bet. Where ovie me buy me. Odo lelo pe anogbe hegi danine. It cannot work. What to be hated the woman. Eruni menani e baby on win ayare. O ma no ma on sa e gbin ayare. Ime na ni your honey amana to be yana. Because I wanna legbo mama. A prestige no go no. Iya na we on na emi ya do mi ni ya so alele momi jore. E baby magi la wiya. E mata magi la wiya. E prestige le no ni me. Adobo me wiya mata ma me beto wiya. Even ya gata we ani ya so alele momi jore mi ya gifi wori me. Ni nate utale ni nate silivo. So all those things o ati egbo ejue o we mi je. No, I don't know ya where people they call you mama. No. Carry Jane no kwake ya ni mene runaro. As I they pray for them, so they still they pray for me. So I talk and say I be mother of salt and water ministry. If you are a darkness, you cannot carry any of my child. Oh, piano ko no gabe out piano. When women have on sa a relationship in every by. Wa beg wa hate. Because light work with light. You know? Make beg. I don't believe on those things. I believe on prayer. Not ever boneri hegi. Ever bon since 1 month now, Mary heg. But all of okay me on my way since 1 month of Mahwe, or Maria by Najamele, or Maria by Najumele, all logo. So even my Neru is the best. Fire one. So when any mark travel come in a place, I want give you one code. If you not come up for us, make una go buy up my grief phone. If you not like, make una cry. I don't care. That they sell at 40 euro. They who press a records just to know the kind of man will come your house. Some people come and weigh you to chop your money or to fuck you and go. So you go press records. Find a place inside your house. If you're not inside your cupboard or near the bed, find a place where be say he cannot see that record. Or buy over tape in it twin. Or make no amwe you will take bed. Or make na muda. Can we raje we keep ba. Who press a record in it? Wah here. That record who make sure who charge it. That record can stay for 3 hours. Because what that by your worry again, ya make a call. If I know a woman, no do to away, then you do to away, this will do to away, they for 1 hour, do to away, they pastor do to away, double do to away, if I know an. So I'm not again, everyone who you adore everyone. Yes, why you doing now? You got dinner because many people today lie, what men. Ya told me, I know they talk to you, my sister. This talk when they talk na general talk. Why you do the tape now? Marangbe, why me there with 15 euro, 10 euro? Umana do the tape, who do the phone? Net 20. Cabo wa charge. If you not sending a lack of your phone, every week. When a big phone, you are a week. A small phone, radio. Name camera no records. When you are mawe, who want with the record jo, who bawari winner. We dropping all 2 and we quarrieva, who ye go down with him, not Tyson. O man make a call soon with him. Or I will make a call with him. Or I not call you where or with him. So why are we? When any time wana. What's a loba when in my head pig me? Why are we? David not tell you when men walk, but when you do 2 more westy. Ya muyi palo. Il moque pas a toilette. Gualekezio, ye can have jamais even a broch, gualekezio, jiva. Yen ya san sevana. Or can mamma met away, Gina, he a cook gualecona zionji. Il moque by or see be, see me camera wowa. Or ume woge camera. Why is winner? Why gay, when or yan ye wawe. When a collie no make, ave we. One naya, a camera be raw. no afisi yo wa we o me ni ya we igo kere wa pay wa mi ni tana wa mana doni wa ya wo camera wa remi ya no wa everything me no ya gun wa play wa mi ege bege umetita mago wa ya da me bi bai we ke isi winu gwa we na play we na begging yin wa re break we atoto u gemi no we no ya kan yo kan re call no receive una ge wa ma clear de we record jeva yes apa we ge na no ge me wa na ojo tu meri mi awe erumu no lo we ji set okpayi wa Bobiski eroya mwe o ma no ga ni nyoge no mu kegbewo wa o wa ni keji with e ona draw it to atwaji ovi vuarian Bobiski na ogwe no wa draw a picture me yegbe na o wa like o ma we o to do gwale mi no gbogun ahun ogwe o ze French ye me no ta eki na do ta mi we ni e mwe record jo wo wa ina do gwalo eke wo wa ni obi record jo ge fun ye na press ye na moyo emi ya no wa ta ba son ye ya na wa records cause we ya be na ogwa 2022 erere vie ona wa ninyo ona ninyo ona imu record no na do send the girls you no reference o se me no reference la we French na mini awona we Bobiski awo pe awo ku Bobiski eme mi rokpa unu owaje iwa ona ninyo edolo Bobiski ta me no pa yin ogware so don a life ifi wori ene kikpi ake ya ikwe soro na obe do mi wa brother obi ame boyfriends this man say not be only for men wa be weather ke girlfriend no do to wa trust nobody kwe so to regbe all those small ge lie ovianu o we that boy we dey itala wan go see am me I go we am or say ba oti another boyfriend of again all that money we travel because say WhatsApp my guy that travel again now ega me we ere ke look bia eje o bia ta we be pari we no see am yo wa bia le look bia we gbe love with Facebook oh ta only ata my where you dey baby where you dey oh we dey house now why you dey ask me oh well are you sure say you love me and they dey with